This 2003 Mustang GT was given up on. It was in rough shape, it had been sitting for many years in the Florida sun, the paint was faded, it had dents and dings everywhere, the interior was cooked and shriveled. Very little maintenance was done for the car. It was driven hard for many years and then left to rot and be parted out. Yet the new owner saw potential in the car and made an offer and was able to buy the whole car for $1,800. They started to replace everything on the car. It seemed like it needed everything. They got new suspension, new ball joints, new clutch, new intake, the rear end was rebuilt, and they even added some new seat covers. Now it was time to get started on the paint and bodywork on the car. It needed some paint work and it had some dings and things, so they started wet sanding it and cleaning it up, and then they went to like a primer, looks like, to get it ready for paint and make it look a lot nicer. And once that was finished, they started to paint the car. Now something they wanted to do was make it look nice and paint it, but then do something they had never seen before, which is make this into a red fire with parchment saleen Mustang. And so they bought genuine saleen parts for the car and started to go to work and make this look really good. You can see all the work and the striping and everything that went involved, and they turned it into something absolutely beautiful. You can see how nice the car looks now compared to what it looked like at the beginning, and I like that this was what appears to be a premium GT with the interior upgrade package. So you have those four-way adjustable headrests in there and the nice bullet wheels, although they are looking to put saleen wheels on it for the complete look. But here's how nicely the car is coming together, and here's a shot of the parchment interior looking really nice now. Again, you can see that interior upgrade package silver trim around the radio bezels and the bullet style shift knob, and that brushed aluminum shifter ring, which is on the interior upgrade package cars. And in this case, you can see they've added the saleen style gauges there on top of the dashboard, so that's something to give it the saleen look. It looks really nice. And so you can see how this has come from something that was worn out and ruined to something that looks really nice and desirable. Absolutely beautiful. And you can see they also have a Trans Am there. Really cool looking car. And anyway, this is a really neat story. I'm glad they shared it, and I just wanted to put this together and put it on the channel and thank them for saving this car from being parted out. It shows what you can do with a little bit of work and what a nice car you could have at the end. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more Mustang content.